The allure of DIY repairs can be tempting, but at what cost to your safety? Garage doors are incredibly heavy and complex, often weighing over 200 pounds, and can cause serious injuries. Torsion springs hold immense tension, and improper handling can lead to catastrophic consequences, including violent snaps. Many garage doors feature electrical components that, if mishandled, can result in electrical shocks or even fire risks. Misaligned tracks can leave your door stuck halfway, creating an unnecessary security risk for your home. DIY repairs often void manufacturer warranties, which can leave homeowners facing costly future repairs on their own. Professional technicians possess the necessary training and experience to quickly identify and address your garage door issues. Specialized tools, typically absent from a household toolbox, allow professionals to perform safe and effective repairs. Regular professional maintenance prevents future problems, ensuring your garage door operates smoothly for years to come. In Flower Mound, Texas, expert garage door technicians are ready to provide reliable and safe repair solutions.